What's up guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to check your UTME or your Jamb result without spending a dime. So all you need to do is to continue watching this video till the end, and if it's your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you can see here, I'm going to show you the two different ways of checking your Jamb result. One of them is through Jamb portal and the second one is through SMS. You have to follow the step-by-step process I'm going to show you so that you will not make any mistake along the road, because each and every year Jamb keep on changing their format of checking results. I think you understand that. But before we move on, please beware of scammers who normally ask for Jamb upgrading. There is nothing like Jamb upgrading. Jamb is automatically programmed, and what they give you is what you have. Even if they charge you, they are not going to upgrade any result for you. So it's a scam, and I don't want you to fall a victim. So let's go now. The first thing you're gonna do is, when you are on your smart browser, you can use Chrome or Firefox, but here I prefer using Chrome. The first thing you're going to type in is a Jamb facility, and immediately you click on search. It will take you to Jamb Jamb portal, where you are going to log in with your email and their password. That is the email that is linked with your Jamb. The next thing is, it will take you to this interface, and here you will see check Jamb result. You understand? Check UTME result. I think you can see that option there, and immediately you click on it, it will show you a result. However, if that option is not working for you, the other way, which is the appropriate way of checking Jamb result, is through SMS, and we're going to do that now. All right guys, the second process, which is through SMS, all you need to do is to come to your message and click on add button there, and in place of recipient, you are going to type in 55019, which is the number we normally use. Jamb number you can use for many things. Okay, then you come back and click on add message. So what I'm going to type in here is UTME result in capital letter. Then you send to them. Immediately you send, 15 naira will be deducted from your account, and in less than 1 minute your result will be displayed. You understand? But currently results have not been released, so you have to exercise little patience, because Jamb is going to be closed on the 29th of this month, which is next tomorrow. Immediately the examination is closed, then they'll start sending your result. Then you're able to check your result. So this is what I have for you, and if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.